Hello together. It's the third week of my series to become a top seller. This week was really nice because I finally managed to go to Switzerland. I had some classes there. It was like Monday and Tuesday there. Then I had like 2 sessions with a sales coach on Thursday and Friday. I went to a networking event and now I just go for a walk. Try to reflect on the learnings which were there this week. Mainly this week I was learning that if you go to a networking event, that's the first touch point. Then you change your contacts. It's usually your LinkedIn profile. That's gonna be the second touch point. So I optimized my LinkedIn profile. Understood a lot about psychology this week because the sales coach was teaching me about how the consciousness of human beings works. And usually, because what I was doing is after the networking event, I was texting them if they could send me 2 to 3 sentences what they do. And then I was telling it to my sales coach, like, what do you think about what I'm doing right now? And he was telling me that usually people are on autopilot. They don't want to get out of the autopilot. Like every brain is designed to save energy. And so he helped me to modify my message. After the first touch point at the event, you send out the outreach, make it as simple as possible, like, hey, it was nice to meet you, it was a cool conversation, hope to work together with you soon, and I will look for some possibilities for you in Switzerland, something like that. And then just send it out and see how they respond, because then the higher the response rate is going to increase, because the effort they need to take is much lower and easier to build a connection or to make a second appointment to talk deeper in the conversation. Let me close my jacket, it's kind of cold right now. And the next thing I need to solve is to build a proper knowledge database, because right now I'm learning a lot of things, so your brain starts to forget a lot of things. So what I need to do is like to build a database with all the valuable informations and everything I read, to document it as well and link it together. That's something I need to solve in the upcoming weeks, because if I want to become one of the best salesmen, I need to really have quick access to knowledge which I gained, and I need to know how to use them properly within the existing system. So yeah, I need to solve that. And otherwise, next week I'm actually gonna be back in Switzerland, gonna get some more lessons to get some practical opportunities to learn from it. And from that I need to see how I can continue to become better and better each week, and I need to close one deal as well. So the plan is also to start a content strategy on LinkedIn to manage to get contacts to decision maker, because I realized if I have a network of decision maker and bring them the valuable contracts and understand what they need and provide them with it, I can be able to make a lot of money. But right now I don't have really a network. I mean, I know a couple of people, but it's not as big as I wish. So in this year I need to visit a lot of events in order to make new connections and document it as well. I need to create a new database for that as well, where I show which person has which skills and which offers and what is the ideal customer he's looking for, and then I can try to bring people together and close some deals basically. Yeah, this is like the current situation right now. I just wanted to give you a quick update for this week, and next week I will show you more insights when I'm in Switzerland, show you a bit more of the place, because this week I was a lot to do. I couldn't manage to vlog during the process, but yeah, next week I will show you more of how things go in Switzerland. And actually I'm gonna fly after it to China and Japan as well. Can you show you some insights there as well, because I want to visit there some networking events to make connections in Asia, because you never know, the bigger the network, the bigger the net worth is gonna be. So that's the current plan. I will take you there as well, and need to finalize my strategy for increasing the outreach and also to get some inbounds based on my personal brand. So yeah, that's the current situation. It was a pleasure. See you in the next video.